If you haven't yet experienced this charger, you are certainly missing out. I acquired it for my vehicle to eliminate the inconvenience of tangled cords. It's as simple as inserting it into the designated spot. After use, you can easily relocate it to any preferred charging area for your phone. When you reinsert it, it stays securely in place. It's quite remarkable. For those with older iPhone models, there is a version tailored specifically for them. Now it's for under 13 pounds on TikTok Shop. Make sure to check it out before the stock is over.